Henan TaiyuGaofen Medical Devices Company Limited, established in 2017, is a professional manufacturer of medical consumables such as disposable protective mask, disposable medical masks, disposable medical surgical mask, isolation gowns, lab testing equipment, medical gloves, and all kinds of medical consumables. We also can do the OEM for your requirements consumables with high quality. Our Taiyu facility is GMP certified and has 150 employees in factory. Among them, our daily production capacity of masks is 1.6 million, and we have supplied to various government items, healthcare institutions, and retailers worldwide. Get good reputation and feedback from our customers. With an area of 32,871 square meters, our modern Taiyu facility strictly complies with GMP international standards and meets global medical supply standards. For instance, we have registered with FDA and obtained ISO 9001 certificates as well as SGS test reports. Our bacterial filtration efficiency machine, splash resistance machine, flame retardant test machine, respiratory resistance test machine, and so on, to increase further assurance to our quality. Our factory located in intersection of Gongwu Road and Donghuan Road, High-Tech District, Xinjiang, Henan Province, China, with convenient transportation access. We strive to provide our high-quality products to meet the global needs of PPE. We are a reliable supplier and partner who can provide professional OEM and customized services and fast delivery.